You asked, what are the considerations for buying a solar system?
When you think of purchasing solar, there's a couple of key considerations that I would recommend. And the first one is that, why am I actually doing this? When I started in the industry, going back 2006, a lot of people didn't buy solar for financial reason because the payback was still 10, 15 years. And so it was environmental reasons that people purchased solar. Nowadays, for most people, it's the financial return. So am I getting the solar for financial return? Am I getting it because I'm off the grid and this is the only way I can get electricity? So be very clear as to the reasons why you're getting solar. But the environment should still also be a consideration because as we're finding, it becomes a bigger and bigger issue right now. So your own contribution is quite important. So why am I buying solar? The next question is, will it actually enhance the value of my house? I've seen solar systems installed very poorly and the house looked damn ugly afterwards. And you might have had a $500 saving on the electricity bill, but you lost $30,000 on the look of the house. So make sure that you pick a local company that comes out and inspects it, that makes suggestions of where the panels can sit, so they sit in harmony with the house and do not actually, diminish the house value. There are now full black panels available. They do look better on many roofs. So again, consider maybe you should go for a full black version. Some people will argue that the full black performs a little bit less in very hot weather, but the performance difference is maybe 3-4%. It's not a big deal. And so if the looks are right, I would always prefer the looks of the panel over a small smidgen of performance advantage or disadvantage. Another thing to consider is who I'm going to get to install my solar system. We always recommend a local company that will be available for after-sale service because that's what a solar system, yes, it doesn't have moving parts, but you'd be surprised after 5, 6, 8 years, you might have had a hailstorm, you want somebody to check the system out, you're monitoring, notice there's something wrong, you need somebody to come back. If you're in the regions, do not buy from a big, slick city company that has a local contractor right now, and in 2 years' time, that contractor is gone, and you will never find him again, and there'll be months and months before anybody comes back to fix whatever is wrong, if anybody will ever come back. So that's another consideration. You've got to check if your house is suitable. If you've got really old tiles, if you've got a rusted roof, if you've got a lot of trees overhanging the house, if you've got just a poor roof condition, in those cases your house is potentially not suitable for solar. But you will still find companies who are going to whack it on because they don't care. And in that case, you're going to find a couple of years later, you're going to pull it off. So please check if your house is suitable, and you do that via a good trusted company that comes out that does a proper site inspection. You want to find out if it's worth to do it, how much will you save? If you've got a very low electricity bill, in that case, is it really worth it? So how much will I save? Is it worth it? Is possibly also one of the key considerations.
Want more energy answered? Visit YourEnergyAnswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.